My name is Jairo Cifuentes, student in energy industry. Sec 6, prepare technology negociaciones. Grupo 82, present Juan Miguel Olave. Universidad Nacional Abierta a Distancia, Ingeniería Industrial 2022. Definición of novel and protection, which also manages the measures in real time the achievement of their strategies, such traceability and scopes of trial activities will is characteristics things intangible as diverse from of it is not classical, it is novel in English often and generates its of benefits which qualifies it to be protected as a patent. Valued meltings of tall steel prints and the realization of things selection. The cost approach is required and submitting things only way to determine values of exclusive of properties such as liberties, school, or church things, resource generalities, lead, income, and not of markets, ones with invalid the incomes and comparable apps. General coatings of license. State of companies Colombian S.A. as indigenous of net sales are evaluating the products, documents, and licenses as legal instruments in order to use or distribute the software license option. BSD software licenses of MLP software licenses and derivatives software licenses when cooperative framework software licenses, post-hardware software license, donating software license. License terms and terms. The software company Colombia S.A. software license company in less than in 2 months to complete the licensing negotiation process for the use and distribution of software. Conclusion. The importance of values technology binds intangible charge in becoming more prevalent trends in today. There are many stand revolution adopting manufacturing of products of the provision of technical service. Tax Joe. Thank you, teacher.